This is a 9-003 oval heavy duty rodding. They're baton draw pinch pleat, and we're going to mount it to a 3.5 to 4.5 inch return wall bracket. You take a regular screwdriver and your piece will slide in and out to do the 3.5 to 4.5. So we're going to mount the wall bracket first. And then you could take it and just pop it right in to the ends. And then you can adjust it to wherever return that you need. And then there's a baton that goes with them for each master. There's a hook on the end, and you just pop it into the master. And there you go. And then you put your pinch pleats on.